Alright, we're gonna do a exchange air intake for with the factory intake, the K&N. It's a 3350-47 for the 2016 Camaros and newer. So I'm gonna start taking off the studs right here. That's one right here. As you can see down there. So we gotta move this and put it aside. Wait, oh. This was like really hot. There you go. You should pop right off. And see that? It's so very one. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. Oh my god. It's dirty with all these stuff. Look at this. Oh no. It's bad. I'll try to clean it right now. But I'm gonna show you guys how this thing looks. It's K&N, like I said earlier, filter. This is so bad. It's like the same size it should be, you know. This is way better because it's oiled. So yeah, take it off for now. But we gotta clean all these things because it's not good having all these bad things in here. I did not know it was this bad. As you can see. Trying to fix it. I just need to get it with I need to take it off. It should be easy. We should take it off and then put it back on, you know. I think I need to find some. So look, it has all this dirty stuff. Took it off. I think I should clean it around. This could be better too. But yeah, it's so dirty. I cleaned off the things that were right here. It's like it's dirty. Make sure everything's good to be put back in. So then put it back in. Oh, shoot, right. I'm trying to. It's Okay, this thing's in the way. Okay, there you go. Now I'm trying to see if it fits, if it puts in real good right there. So that, just know that this thing is placed right. Then right here, to make sure everything's good. Right there. There. Here's the last one. As I finished putting the bottom one that I took off earlier, I'm ready to put in K&N filter. Check out that. Should fit right off like that. Good fit. And now we just set this off again because I forgot to put the screws back in here. Let's do the hard one first. I think it was hard for me. After you're done with putting the screws back in, don't forget to put this back in. Just put it like it's easy. Just put it back and then make sure it's good. And that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And for my next video is gonna be for the cabin filter inside the car, and it's a K&N cabin filter. So yeah, thanks for watching.